we're rolling whenever you're ready, Erin.
Sit. This is serious business, George.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Morkel. We're filming biology class from the farm today. This is George.
And I'm Mrs. Isaacs.
And I'm Mrs. Evans, and today we're going to talk about the characteristics of life. Look, Mrs. Isaacs, I found these flowers. Do you think they're living?
That's a good question, Miss Evans.
This is one of my chicken coops. I collect eggs from here every day. There's some eggs. A lot of kids in class think that eggs are non-living, but these eggs, because I have roosters, are actually considered living or could be living, because if they're fertilized and then we put them in an incubator, which we will do later in the year, then they would grow into a chick. It takes 21 days. It needs to be about 100 degrees. So either these hens sitting on the eggs like they are right now. She was trying to hatch this egg. This one. Is sitting on more eggs. The eggs that you get at the store are not going to be fertilized because those hens live inside without roosters, so they wouldn't be fertilized. So they wouldn't actually be able to develop into a chick, so those would be considered non-living. The hens like to lay eggs in a safe, dark, cool place. So on a hot day like today, this is going to be the safest place for them to be. So they're hidden and they're away from predators, and they can sit on these and keep them warm. And sometimes I do let the hens hatch the eggs, but these ones I'll collect to eat. Because each chicken actually lays a different color. The inside of eggs, if you ever crack them open, are either blue or white. So all eggs are either blue or white, and then there's a level of brown pigment that gets put on top. So that's why some eggs are green, because it's a blue egg with a brown film over it. See if I get a green. Like these ones. The white eggs that you get at the store are usually laid by a specific breed of chicken called a Leghorn chicken.
I love moss. People ignore moss, but like, there's a lot going on. They don't have roots. Their main function is to absorb water, and actually some native tribes will use it for diapers and for bedding and things like that because they're so absorptive.
Guys, we chose a bad day to do this. We got rained on. It's so hot today, we're sweating.
Yeah, but it's actually a good example of maintaining homeostasis.
Just like George here. He's panting because he's so hot.
A characteristic of life.
Yes, maintaining homeostasis is a characteristic of life.
I've heard that sunflowers can move with the sun. Have you noticed that?
Some of them are in the process of moving. They follow the sun throughout the day. So if I were to come out here in the morning, the sunrise is here in the east, so they're all facing that way. All living things that we've seen today, the grass, the mushrooms, the trees, the sheep, the vegetables, us, we all share the same code of life. A's, T's, C's, and G's.
So if they were freshly picked, they're probably in the process of dying. They're definitely made of cells. You can see that they have reproductive parts up here, male and female. These flowers have adapted and evolved. Sorry. Wait a second. What was I gonna say? Okay, as you notice, these flowers are brightly colored. Aaron, you're laughing! Stop laughing, Aaron.
Thank you.